guys, it's Rebecca Oberstadt. In today's video, I am doing something super simple to my hair. This is also like a miniature hair progress update. As you can see how long it is down my back. I am just brushing it out. I did just get out of the shower. And, you know, anybody wants to say anything rude about my weight, then go right ahead, because I will definitely have some words to say for you, because I have put on quite a bit of weight since I hit 40. So there's that. I'm finally at the weight I'm supposed to be for my height, if that matters. But basically, this is called a princess braid. You take all of your hair and you put it over onto one side, and you just kind of twist it until you get past your ear, and then you braid the rest of it down. It is super, super simple. I'm messing up the top so it makes it easier to grab. So basically, you just take a section of hair and you twist it. I probably should have taken thicker sections going back, but you just grab a section and you rotate your wrist and twist it, and then you grab the next section and you put it with that and you twist it, and that's all this is. Legit, that's all this is. You just grab it and twist. So if I can figure out how to do this from watching like 15-second video on Instagram at like 4 o'clock in the morning, then you should be able to as well. I could have taken more defined sections. I could have used like a rat tail comb or my cricket comb to make those like more definitive sections seen. I could have put product in my hair before I started. I didn't. I put product in my hair afterwards, and I used some oils in it to keep it smooth, which you'll see at the end. That didn't work out too well. So basically, and there's like a weird spot behind my ear as well from where I did the last twist. It's really easy. You just grab a section of hair and you twist it. I think anybody could get away with this at any length. Even if your hair is like 2 inches long, I think if you use those like ouchless bands, which by the way, that's a joke because they still hurt when you go to take them out. They just don't rip out as much of your hair as the tiny little rubber bands used to like 30 years ago. So if you take those like plasticky kind of rubber bands, you could do like the twist and then band it, and then do a twist and band that with the other one and do a twist and band it again, just to section those out more defined, and then flip them all underneath each other, kind of like a French twist, but on the top of your head. So depending on how long your hair is, I think anybody can get away with this. It was super quick to do. The one lady I saw do this, I think there was a couple of her videos that I watched on Instagram, but I think they originated from TikTok. I do not have a TikTok. I do not want to download TikTok. I do not want to use TikTok. I have enough trouble trying to keep up with Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Twitch, everything else that I do. I have way too much going on for me to try and learn a whole new social platform. I don't have like Snapchat anymore because I got tired of children under the age of 18 sending me inappropriate photos that was not requested. So I got rid of that. I don't really post on Patreon anymore because there's no point. I was posting photos and stuff of the looks and stuff that I was doing on there, and like nobody ever looked at them, like ever. Even the patrons that I had never looked at them. So there was no point of, putting content on there. I don't use Discord or any of that other stuff. So, these new social platforms and stuff that keep popping up, I just don't have time to learn something new between my job and recording and editing and uploading for 2 YouTube channels. There's a video that goes up on one or the other one every day. So every day of the week, a video is going up. I have to have content for both of them. I don't have to. It's just a goal that I have set for myself, plus my job, plus my business, and everything else that I do, and house, and fur kids, and everything else. So, yeah. But this is super simple. It was really pretty. I wore it legit all day. It did mess with my headphones for work because all my hair was on the one side. But I like how it turned out. And yes, there's fuzz in my hair. I did find it after. So anyways, let me know if you guys would be interested in doing this to your hair. I can do this with my hair dry in like a brighter setting to see. Hey guys, it's Rekka. So I braided my hair like this. I did this like princess twist thing this morning after my shower, and it is currently 11:34 p.m. at night. I recorded the other part of it at like 10 o'clock this morning. So it's been a little over 12 hours and my hair is looking quite trashed. Like I even put oil over my braid to like calm down some of the frizz. But look at this. Let me turn around so you can see the back. So other than like flipping this out of my way a couple of times today, my hair really hasn't been messed with. It's just kind of been down most of the day. So this was something I saw on Instagram. Somebody do like this kind of thing with their hair. Granted, I didn't do it very good because my fingernail polish that I put on like 2 days ago is like picking up at my cuticle because I have what is called oily nail beds. And so it's starting, I legit could probably just peel this off. Here, I'll show you. It's just coming off in like little pieces. And I painted my nails for a video, but because it's coming off like up here at my cuticle area, it was like picking at my hair this morning, especially with it being wet. So I figured I would take it down with you guys. I mean, look at this. I mean, I have individual hairs that go all the way out here. Like how did that get out of the braid? That's what I want to know. So it's like looking quite fuzzy. So I figured it was about time to take it down. Plus I'm not going to sleep in this because not only is the braid still damp, but I know for a fact I will get a headache if I sleep in it. It's the easiest way for me to get my hair unbraided. It falls out on its own. I don't need to help it. Okay, I'm gonna get you guys down. Hair smells nice though. Okay, the front part is not really untwisting that well. So let me see if I can help it. Try not to make it too fuzzy. All right, let me put you back up here. Now comes the test to see if I can get, so this much of my hair is like straight because it was wrapped around my head. So feels weird in the back of my head because it's been to the side like all day ever since I washed it. I don't know. I'm trying to give you guys a good view of my hair. Having this sweatshirt on doesn't help either, but it's kind of chilly here. It is 36 degrees. So, I mean, if my hair would stay like this is like really pretty. I like the twist effect up here, but then the braided effect down here. It was super easy to do. So, I mean, I know when I wake up in the morning, this pretty braid is going to be gone, but I also know that I can't sleep in that kind of hair arrangement, so I would have woken up with a really bad headache had I like tried to go to sleep with it. Let's see if I can separate another section out without completely freaking my hair out. Try to smooth some of it out. That way I've got a little bit more separation. I'm pulling on it to keep it away from my face. Because this is not something that I really enjoy. And because my hair has been that direction all day, my hair is more than likely going to want to go back that direction. But I mean, it is very pretty. I like it. Is it worth doing it? I mean, what I could probably do, instead of like parting it and putting all of it on one side, I could probably come through and do that version like over here to give some shape here, and then with whatever's left I could, you know, tack this down and then do the same like twist thing back here, and then braid these like sections down so that I have like one twist thing here and a twist thing here at the rear quarter of it. And then I could probably section out the top. You know, if I part it, I wouldn't part it that far over. Normally my natural part is right about here. Just to give you an idea of how much difference was pulled. So yeah, that was quite a bit of a difference that was pulled. But usually with my hair, I can flip it back and forth because my hair is like relatively one length, but it also just frizzed out the end a little bit doing that. So messing with it's going to cause it to go poof. But I figured I would try something new. I saw somebody do it online. I was like, oh, that's like super easy. I can do that. I took a shower first thing this morning, so I was like, okay, I can wear it and see what it does. I mean, my hair is pretty. It's a little on the frizzy side, but I have been messing with it. I was surprised at like how easily the braid like frayed, though. That's not something I want to see. I mean, my hair is healthy, but it just it means that my hair is uneven. So 2 more months to go before I cut it for donation. But anyways, I figured I would take it down and show you the finished effect. And it's wanting to go back this way. Watch if I lean forward. It went back. So it's worth a shot. I don't know. The one lady called it a princess braid. Said something about that makes her feel like Princess Elsa. So I figured I'd try it. It basically is you take the hair and you pull it. So you're like doing this with your hair. So you grab a section and you twist it, and then you grab the next section and twist it, and grab the third section and twist it. And that's all you're doing, is grabbing and twisting. That was it. That was all I did. It was that simple. And then of course I braided it down. So if I can do it and I don't fuck with my hair, you can do it. So if you do this to your hair, I will try and find the lady that I watched do this, and I will try and leave like a link to her social media or something below if I can find it. I did like it, so we'll have to see if I can find it on Instagram again. It was on one of those reels, you know, one of those things you watch at like 2 o'clock in the morning when you can't sleep. Yeah, that was me. Anyways, I will see you guys later. Hopefully you enjoyed. Bye.